Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's great to have your company and I hope you're doing well. It's always a pleasure to make a video for you and I'm always glad to do it, so you know, we just keep it moving really. Okay, so today I'm bringing you pen pal letter that I'm decorating before I put pen to paper. So this is how I'm going to decorate it. I started it off already with some washi tape, and this one you can actually colour in, this washi tape. You can see it. You can actually colour it in and it's really nice. So it's a nice big wide one as well, so I really like that. So that's how I'm starting, and it's my first letter to this pen pal, so I'm just keeping it as neutral as possible and then we'll take it from there, obviously with a touch of girliness to it, but I'm really keeping it neutral until I get to know her some more, and then I can get a feel of what she likes and what she doesn't. This one's an introductory letter, so I'm going to keep it to 2 A4 sheets. Usually I do 3 or more A4 sheets, or 3 or more, sheets of paper, but just for now, until we get to know each other, I'm going to just keep it to 2 sheets. I think the last time I decorated, I did a decorating on, I think it was 3 sheets of paper. I think it was, yeah. So I normally do 3. Anyway, trying to be very economical with the washi as well. Got my scissors to clean. Got a load of hot glue on my scissors, so if you know any good ways to clean your scissors, ones with the hot glue on them, or the hot glue stuck to them and I really want to get it off, so if you know a good way of getting that off, can you let me know? Leave your comments below please. Really appreciate that. Okay, that's done. Nice and neutral. I do like to put a doily in the middle sometimes, and then I just get creative and write around it, alongside it. It's really nice. The pink one in the middle. Right, I know She likes birds and fishes. And I don't have any birds and fishes, I'm afraid. I'll have to, well, I might, but I just don't know where to put my hand on them at the moment. Aha, look at that. She's a newlywed as well. So what I'll do, I'll put that champagne bottle on there as well and embellish it. She's a newlywed, so I'd like to congratulate her. So if I put that on there. This is another good way that you can use up your embellishments, because these were just samples of die cuts, and it's so good to use them up. I'm going to put some, shall I get some bling for that? that's that. Doesn't take a lot. Simple but effective. There we go. So that's to be sent off to my new pen pal. And I hope she likes it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos on planning, making basic cards, decorating pen pal letters, and so forth. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my video. Bye for now.